You in a relationship with somebody right now that's creating a lot of chaos into your life and you're waiting for the chaos to get over so life can finally quiet down. Is this possibly a pattern of many of us mistaken, especially those of us who don't like drama and really like a quiet life, a peaceful life? Is that people who have character disorders or narcissism, psychopathy actually thrive on drama. They thrive on the chaos because in their mind, the worst possible outcome is peacefulness because that means there's no attention. So they would rather have all the disruption and all the upsetness and the chaos and the conflict than to have nothing at all. Because when there's nothing at all, it feels for them as if they don't exist, like they've been annihilated. Be careful because they love to pull people into their lives who actually are good at cleaning situations up. But what happens is they then feel centered and they will move from crisis to crisis to crisis. Ask yourself, is this a pattern? Are you living on the hope that once this is over, things will go back to normal, your normal, and get quiet again? Well, not if you're with somebody who needs drama and chaos for them to feel like they exist. It will never be normal. This is what happened in my last relationship, and it kept me in a state of constant stress. And I kept thinking we're going to get through this only to find that there was another thing behind it. Is this what's happening to you? Drop me a comment, let me know. The reason why I wanted to make this video is really just to start educating everyone out there on these things and what emotional abuse entails. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to keep making more videos like this because I think they are extremely important to keep relaying this message, to keep educating yourself as much as you can on these things. You guys leave any comments or questions down below. I love hearing from you guys and getting your feedback. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please like and share.